Hi everyone. Today I'm opening up the Clear Jelly Stamper Getting Started kit, and this kit is designed to give you everything you need to start creating beautiful layered nail art. First up, the Big Bling Stamper in pink. This stamper has a crystal clear head so that you can see exactly where you're placing your design, which makes stamping so much easier, especially for beginners. It comes with a base that also holds an extra jelly, keeps it safe, and a cap so that when you go ahead and throw this into your bag or into your drawer until you use it again, everything is safe and sound. Next up, we have the sticky pad with the sleeve. This is how you clean your stamper between images. You just gently tap your stamper onto the sticky surface and it removes the extra polish instantly. The sleeve keeps things safe until you use it next time. I like to have the pad itself on my desk like this when I'm stamping, and then into the sleeve for storage. Now let's look at our layered stamping plate. This is CJS B03, one of our beginner stamping plates. Clear Jelly Stamper actually invented layered stamping, which means you can build gorgeous multicolored images one layer at a time. To make things easier, we've broken down 2 layered images and 3 layered images on this plate, so it's obvious what goes together while you're getting started. If you have any questions, you can flip over to the step-by-step guide on the back of your spec sheet. This is the spec sheet. It shows you everything that this plate can do. It gives you some color ideas too. And on the back, that step-by-step guide that shows you what pieces go with what, and your end result. Also included, the starter stamping polish kit, which includes 7 beautiful stamping colors. Our polishes are hyperpigmented and designed specifically for the clear stamper. We also included our Smear Not top coat. This is a water-based top coat that won't smudge your beautiful nail art. And finally, of course, you need somewhere to store it, so we've included this gorgeous tote.